Combination plier is made of mild steel, forged steel, tough metal, none of these. Correct answer is option B, forged steel. The size of a screwdriver is 75 mm into 0.4 mm into 2.5 mm. Which dimension indicates the steam dia? 75 mm, 0.4 mm, 2.5 mm, all of these. The correct answer is 2.5 mm, option C. To limit the current within dash ampere at the maximum voltage, a high value resistance is connected in series with the electrode of an electrician tester. The correct answer is option C, 300 microamperes. Which portion of a hammer is tempered? The correct answer is option C, striking head. What is the name of X indicated part of a tri-square? The correct answer is option C, stalk. Generally, a tenon saw has dash teeth per 25.4 mm or 1 inch. The correct answer is option B, 8 to 12 teeth. What is the name of X indicated part of a file? The correct answer is option A, heel. What is the name of the tool? The correct answer is option B, plumb bob. What is the name of the tool? The correct answer is option B, gimlet. The tip angle of a center punch is 90 degree, option C. The cutting edge angle of cold chisel varies from. The correct answer is option B, 35 degree to 45 degree. What is the name of the tool? The correct answer is option B, roll plug tool. Spanner is made of cast iron, cast steel, mild steel. Correct answer is cast iron, option B. What is used to extracting nail from wood? The correct answer is option B, pincer. A single cut file has a single row of teeth at an angle of. The correct answer is option D, 60 degree.